And everyone told us to say, this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I say the love light in your eyes, in the wonder of people, is that you just don't realize how much I love you.